Right.
There. Hi guys.
I'm doing a video, Jason. Right. VW Golf. It's had, what's it had, Jason?
Divert valve.
Diverter valve replacement.
Thermostat.
A thermostat.
Which is a disgusting job.
It's a hard job, eh?
Yeah.
Everything has to be stripped off.
And the Campbell kit from high pressure fuel pump.
Yeah. So because it's in the workshop and he spent a little bit of money in the workshop, he gets a free dyno run. So let's see what she makes, shall we? We're letting it warm up, ain't we?
Yes.
Once it's warmed up and it's up to temperature, we'll run it on this dyno. How are you feeling, Jason?
I'm okay.
Thanks.
Thank you, Dan.
No, thank you.
No, honestly, thank you.
No, honestly, thank you.
No,
What?
honestly, thank you.
What's your name?
Jason, what's your name?
Can't do that. Well, this one's got a bluefin map on it, and it's made 251 brake horsepower and 285 foot-pound. Must see Dr. Gower.